Howdy folks, this is Calum with TELUS, and I'm here to answer the question, my outdoor camera is only recording sometimes or not at all. How do I fix this? This video is covering clip limits, and it's part of a series, so if you haven't checked out the other videos, you might want to do that as well.
To get started, you'll want to log in at telus.com/smarthomelogin. Go to Video. Click on Saved Video Clips at the top, and at the bottom there you can see your monthly clip limit. This will always be at the bottom of the page, so if you have many clips, you'll need to scroll to the bottom to see it. The monthly clip limit is how many times the camera can be triggered in a month to make a recording, not how many recordings you have saved. Most people will have 3,000 clips, but this can change depending on which service package you have. If you hit the maximum number of clips in a month, your system will automatically disable any recording rules that you have set up. So, once everything resets at the beginning of the month, you'll want to enable those clips again. You do that by going up to Recording Rules and clicking any of the sliders that have turned off back on again. It might also be a good idea to go through your recording rules again to make sure that you're not capturing any unnecessary footage. That should help you from going over your clip limit. If your service package includes an alarm system, there is a default recording rule that will be triggered anytime the alarm goes off. This recording rule is not disabled when you hit your clip limit.
I hope this helps you get your camera recording clips working again, and thanks for watching us at TELUS.